Hi guys, Afro here, DigiSlice, and today we're going to take a look at some iPhone 12 dummy models we got straight from China. So personally, iPhone 4 is my favorite iPhone design. The two-piece of glass, the metal band, my favorite design. So I'm curious to see a more modernized version since Apple is took that design and modernized it, no home button. Curious to see exactly how it looks, how it feels. Now these dummy models are probably not going to be exact as I was told in the email, but it's going to be a rough. You can get a rough idea of actually how the iPhone looks and feels in person. So I'm really excited to crack this bad boy open. So. A little interesting side note, there are rumors that Apple is going to might ship the next iPhone without a charger or AirPods, which I think is personally crazy. Oh man, they really take this up. Make sure I'm not trying to cut myself. Alright. Dummy models, they package it well. Let's take a look. I believe this might be the 6.1. Oh wow. That might be 6.1 or the 6.7, I believe. This is the 4.5. Wow, these actually, I don't know, guys. The camera module might be different. This is not exact, but just I actually like it. If it's gonna come out close to this, oh. I don't know if Apple's actually going to do this color, the dark. It's actually black. Actually looks nice. The metal band at the side actually feels good in the hand. But I actually like the white too. There's supposed to be more sensors in the back, so now the notch should be smaller, but that's not really a factor in. Just to give you a nice idea of actually how the phone feels, and it can actually there you go, just like the old days. They can actually stand, except for this one. So this is supposed to be the 5.4 6.1 I believe, and a 6.7 inch. You get a good look. I do actually like the black. I don't know if Apple's actually going to do this color wise, but actually the black looks nice. I didn't think I actually was gonna like it that much, but just to look at it, the feel of it, I don't know. The measurements is not going to be, in the email they said might not be exact. But it's pretty nice, I'm not going to judge the weight too much because yeah, again, it's a dummy model, although it does have some weight to it. So this is just a rough idea again, guys, of actually what's to come in September, or October. There's some rumors of it being iPhone being delayed. Let me know which color actually you like. Leave all your comments in the description. There you have it, guys. iPhone 12 dummy models, 5.4, 6.1, and 6.7 inch. I'm not really a big fan of the big like the Max. I would go between, it'll be between the 5.4 and the 6.1. I think the 6.1, this one would be like, that would be the size that the most I would get. That would be the big right size for me. But there you have it, guys. iPhone 12 dummy models. Well, guys, there you have it. iPhone 12 dummy models, hands-on. Let me know your thoughts. If you like the design, or maybe you don't like the design, maybe you're gonna skip it and wait for iPhone 13 or maybe 12s. Who knows? Again, we're at the direction Apple goes. But let me know your thoughts in the comment, and check us out on social media. All the links in the description below, and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content. And I appreciate if you give the video a thumbs up. Alright, be safe and be great, everyone. Afro Louis signing off.